What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autopreneur. My name is Martin, and today I'm taking a look at this beautiful BMW M850i convertible. It's a 2023 model, so a very recent one, and we've done some modifications. So what we did is we did a mid-pipe on this beautiful engine. It's the N63, the TU2. So the third version of the N63 V8. It's quite similar to the M8 V8, the S63, only this has a different exhaust manifold. And that makes all the difference in favor of the M850i, because this sounds much better than the M8. And we did an OPF delete mid-pipe and an M Performance brake upgrade, which is a plug-and-play solution. It's only a 2-hour job to do, and you have M Performance brakes. Really cool piece of kit, specifically made for the M850i. It's an OEM upgrade, and we sell it at autopnl.shop. Same goes for the mid-pipe. So the mid-pipe is beautiful. It's a new design we made, and it's made for the flange connection to the downpipe. So there's a slip-on connection with the earlier models, but this one is a flange connection with OPF sensors on the exhaust. Now you do have to code out the OPF not to get any error messages, so we can do that for you, or your local tuner can do that for you. But in the end you end up with something amazing. I think this is the best mid-pipe we have ever done. The sound is absolutely incredible. In comfort, it's completely silent. It's the way it is as standard. It's a very nice rumbling muscular V8, but when you put it into sport mode and the valves open, oh my god. So let's start it up. This is valves closed in comfort mode. So this is the way it sounds stock, I would say. It's a nice V8 sound. But let's upgrade that by opening the valves. Now that's a proper V8, right? Wow. There isn't an M8 that sounds as good as this one. But we'll start in comfort mode, because I think the average 8 series client will appreciate a bit of comfort. So I do also want to showcase that it's still very relaxed and quiet and nice like this. It's a cruiser, this. It's a GT, it's a very powerful GT. So of course we have 530 horsepower. We had the same drivetrain in our 750i. I think the best car we've ever had. I think this is the best V8 BMW has ever made, really. N63 has a bit of a reputation going bad, but that's with the older models, the old 550i and the old M550i. But the TU2, so the 530 horsepower version, is really good. They are really reliable, powerful, do crazy numbers on the stage 1. and they sound amazing. Even with the OPF in place, I have to admit, it already sounds very, very good for a modern day V8. Now BMW has replaced this engine with an S engine, so nowadays you get an S68, where you get like an X6 M60i or something like that. So I think it's a bit of a pity that this beautiful gem got replaced, because they finally nailed the N63 and then they replaced it. But there are a lot of them for sale, second hand, 2-3 years old. So this is valves open. That is such a good sound. Oh, there isn't a more rumbly V8 than this with modern day engines. That is amazing. I love this thing. And then with the new M Performance brakes, you have that bitey brake feel that I really appreciate. So the disc size is the same as stock. Now you might think, oh, that's a bit of a shame, but that does mean it's just a simple plug and play solution. You can just swap your discs and the pads, that's it. That's all you need to do. It looks really, really good with the dimpled brake disc instead of the mirror that you get stock. Oh, rumbly V8. This is so good. I always like selecting a gear too high. Wait, let's go into manual mode. Go for fourth. Give it some. Oh, that's good. And then that little bark from the exhaust. Let's try that again in third. Amazing car, this. And the fun thing is with the M850, you can get it as a coupe, a grand coupe, so a 4-door, and as a convertible. That's really cool. And again, I prefer these over the M8 that are just a bit too harsh in my opinion, and they just don't sound as good as this. And the fun thing is you get the same torque. So this is 750 Newton meters, same as with an M8 competition. It feels to me like an Alpina, this. Big, muscular V8, but civilized, you know, comfortable. I really like this. If you get the coupe, of course, it's way more sporty in a dynamic sense. Hey, talking about Alpinas, wow, B5Y turbo right there. What a coincidence. Okay guys, that was it. We are in town. I think people are going to really enjoy my rumbling V8 over here. If you are interested in doing such a modification for your BMW M850i, let us know. We'll help you out like we did with this owner. He's going to pick it up in half an hour, so really curious to see what he thinks and how he will react to this magnificent V8. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you at the next one. Bye guys.